Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check the refresh rate of your display, whether it's your desktop monitor or your laptop screen. Now, first we need to go to settings, and to do that, you can use the start menu, and from here, go to settings. From settings, you choose systems. And if that is the long process, let me show you a quicker way to get there. You can just right click on your screen and then click on display settings. It should take us to the same page as the other one. Now from here, scroll down and locate the advanced display setting and click on it. Now this gives us display features that we have on our monitor. If we scroll down, we shall find the refresh rate option. So here we are told choose the refresh rate for your display. Higher rate provides smoother motion, but also uses more power. That's what you need to know. So as you can see, my refresh rate is at 59.887 Hz. And this is for display 1 that I have on my monitor because I have 2 of them. If I choose the second one, you can see the refresh rate is now at 60. So I'll go ahead and return back to the first display that I'm using here. And as you can see, the refresh rates have changed. If you have any question or any comment, let me know. And if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.